If I visit the primary domain of my cPanel from here you can see that it is showing us file not found because we have not uploaded any files to this domain. How we can upload files to this domain? Let me show you. So first of all, we'll need to search here for domains, and here is the domains option. Click on it. And here you can see that this is the domain here, and it is actually pointing to this public_html folder. So let's open this folder. So here you can see that this directory is currently empty. That's why it is not showing anything here, and it is showing us file not found. If we upload any file here or any website project here, it will display it here. For example, I am going to upload a birthday wish website project here to show you that how you can upload your own website project. So first of all, I'm going to open my project and I'm going to select all files from here, and I'm going to right click here, and then I'm going to compress it to zip file. Then I'm going to select the upload option from here. Okay, here you can drag and drop your files here, or you can select the file. So I am going to drag and drop my zip file from here. So this is the zip file, and I'm going to drag and drop it here. Make sure to drag and drop it in this area, not outside this area. If you drag and drop it outside this area, it will not upload it. Okay, so I'm going to drag and drop it in this area. Okay, done. Now here you can see that it is still empty because we have not reloaded it. Don't reload it from here, because if you reload this page from here, it will take you to the home page of file manager, but we don't want it. We just want to get the files of public_html because it is the document root for our SatisfyHost.uk domain. So we'll need to click on this reload button to reload the files of public_html, not this one. So now I'm going to right click here and extract the files from here. Alright, now if I reload here you can see that our birthday wish website is working. So yeah, in this way you can upload your custom coded website or template very easily. So now I'm going to show you guys that how you can create a WordPress site or install a WordPress site on your root domain. So to do this, at first we need to delete these files because we are not going to keep this site anymore. We are going to create a WordPress site here. So I'm going to click on confirm button. Alright, so now you'll need to visit your cPanel again. Scroll down a little bit, scroll down to the bottom, and then you'll find a WordPress option under this Softaculous apps installer. Click on it, then click on this install button. Alright, so this is going to install on this domain, which is pointed to the public_html folder. I am not going to change anything from here because I'm not creating this for production purpose. I'm just creating this for test purpose. So I'm just going to click on this install button. Okay, our WordPress installation is successful. If I open this link from here you can see that our WordPress blog is showing here. And if you want to check that where the files uploaded, if I go to spec, scroll down a little bit, click on this file manager option, and then click on this public_html folder. Here you can see that our all WordPress files installed in this public_html folder. So in this way you can host your WordPress site or custom coded website on your root domain. In my next video, I'll show you that how you can host your website on any subdomain or any subdirectory. Okay, that's it for today. See you in my next video.